Today we're going to be showing you how to properly season your new Blackstone grill. Step 1. Clean the grill with warm soapy water. This will be the one and only time you should ever use soapy water on your grill. You don't need to scrub hard. You're basically just getting all the loose debris off the grill. Use a flat, sharp spatula to start moving the water to your drain pan in the back, making sure not to use too much pressure. Using a squirt bottle, squirt some clean water on the grill to get the soap off. Get some paper towels and start drying off all the water. Next up, turn your propane on, turn all the burners on high and fire up the grill. This is a good time to make sure all your burners are working. And now we wait. Let the grill cook for at least 10-15 minutes depending on the size of your grill. Since I have the 36, I am doing 15 minutes. After 5 minutes. 10 minutes later, you can start seeing more discoloration. This is perfectly normal. 15 minutes later, the grill is ready to be seasoned. Next step, using a seasoner conditioner of your choosing. I prefer using the Blackstone Griddle Seasoning Cast Iron Conditioner. Get a few pieces of paper towel and fold it into a W and clamp your tongs together to hold it. Get a few tablespoons of seasoner and apply it to the grill. Using your paper towel, spread the seasoner around the entire grill, including the fronts and sides. The thinner the coat, the better. A little goes a long ways. You will start seeing a lot of smoke coming off the grill. This is normal. This is the grill starting to season itself to make itself non-stick. The next step is the most crucial. Grab an ice-cold beer and wait. You want the smoke to be completely gone, which should take about 10-15 minutes. After 15 minutes, repeat the seasoning process 3 to 4 more times. I prefer to do it 5 times, but it is entirely up to you. Third time. Fourth time. The fifth and last time. After you are done seasoning the grill, turn off all your burners, turn off your propane, and let the grill cool off. This is what your grill should look like fully seasoned. The last step I like to do is to oil the grill and make it ready to cook. You can use any oil you like, but I prefer using olive oil. Spread the oil, creating a nice thin layer on the grill. And that is how to properly season your new Blackstone grill. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you.